Because I don't want to. No, permission denied. That's an off-topic question. Next, you have been stopped.
Road work ahead? Yeah, I sure hope it does.
Hello?
Ah! Stop! I could have dropped my croissant!
Kevin, watch the light, dude.
Duke, do you want the ball?
Well, when life gives you lemons.
Had bacon and syrup.
I'm not finished. Let's get started.
Well, grab
First
the
off,
toaster.
oh my God, can you let me do what I need to do?
And they were roommates.
Oh my God, they were roommates.
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Run. I'm John Cena!
Let me see what you have. No! Oh my God, what is that?
Avocado. Thanks.
Daisy. Hi. Oh God.
Are they helium balloons? Yeah, I told you the car's not here for helium balloons. It's too late. Oh, we're flying away.
On all levels except physical, I am a wolf.
Stop it. Get some help.
Who's the hottest Uber driver you've ever had?
I never went to Uber Jabber.
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me.
I brought you frankincense. Thank you. And I brought you myrrh. Thank you. Murder. Judas. No.
Back at it again at Krispy Kreme.
Jesus, can you pass me a bottle of water? On water coming up. Jesus!
Zach, stop! Zach, stop! You're gonna get in trouble.
Zach.